Part 3. IDA Server Installation on Windows. In this video, we'll be installing the IDA Server on a Windows operating system as an alternative to Linux. Specifically, we will be working with a Windows 11 system. For completeness and a better understanding, please familiarize yourself with the video User Crash Course CKA 1.2 IDA Server Installation on Linux first. This video serves as a follow-up to highlight differences between Linux and Windows installations. Just like on Linux, the IDA server is delivered as a zip file for Windows. Using the extract all function, the file system can be unpacked at the location suggested by Windows. As a result, a file system with the same name as the zip file emerges, but without the .zip extension. After the extraction process, which might take a moment, the newly created directory containing the IDA server can be accessed. The script to start the server is found under the name Start Server. By double-clicking, a PowerShell window opens. Next, you must enter the customer ID, which should be known at the time of installation. If the customer ID is missing, please contact your responsible sales representative or the sales engineering team at Planet AI. After the correct entry of the customer ID, the IDA server starts and concludes with the familiar printout from the Linux version, displaying several links. These links lead to the cockpit, web control, web client, and dashboard, offering different access points to the IDA web interface. By pressing the Control key and clicking on the top link named IDA Cockpit, you can enter the main entry point to the web interface after that. Now, you must enter a username and password, and with a successful login, the installation and launch of the IDA server are complete.